I, Constance Reed, take you, Clifford Chatterley.
Eyes bright at the break of dawn, turning where they don't belong.
Welcome to Rugby, Lady Chatterley.
Take me to a place I've never been.
I'm not really a part of this world.
Want me in a way I've never seen.
But life is what we make of it.
Let me be a woman.
Lady Chatterley,
Sorry, I didn't mean to intrude.
do you want to come in?
To the field, shades of green.
Ever to have visited the estate?
Carried by winds, two hearts bloom and millions.
Connie's exhausted. Who do you think's taking care of her while she's taking care of you?
I don't think I realised how lonely I've been till now.
And take me to a place.
What in the name of hell have you been doing?
You understand how badly this could end.
Imagine how lowered you'd feel with your husband's gamekeeper.
You afraid?
I am, yeah.
Such tenderness. I didn't say you were gentle. I've had enough of gentlemen. I, Connie,
I, Oliver.
take you, Oliver.
Confusing sex with love.
Nothing like that!
Yes, it is.
Strength.
I've given you everything.
It's not enough.
Ecstasy.
It's amazing, isn't it? How someone can get so into your blood.
Let me be a woman.